Hi guys, today I have Kinetic sand and I'm going to be playing with it. So let's open it. Oh, and by the way, it's glitter on it and it's sand and it says shimmery stretch. That's what it says. I don't know how to pronounce that last word, but let's get cleaned. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all when I get all of it out. Okay, guys, it's all out. So yeah. So we're gonna move that. That. So look. Okay. So now we're going to start making something. So comment down below what y'all want me to make. But anyways, I'm gonna go with my idea first. I wanna like squish it up until it's okay. So we're going to get a little bit, and then we're going to ball it up. I'm gonna tell y'all when I'm done balling it up. Okay, guys, so we're done balling up. I'm gonna ball it up a little more. That way it can like get no stuff on it. Like those lines, it be like when it's wrinkled. Okay. And yeah, so we're going to do that. So now we're going to stretch it. Okay, so look guys, look how stretchy it was. We're going to make it look. If I do this, can y'all hear it? It's so stretchy. So guys, now what y'all want me to make? I need to know. So we're going to, oh, look at this little ball. I ain't even made that. Okay. But comment down what y'all want me to make. I need to know. So guys, I'm going to tell y'all when I put it in the container. Okay guys, it's in the container. Oh, I forgot. It's on the wrong side. Hold on. Okay. So guys, it's in the container. I hope you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.